Okay. Good morning, all of you. It's 11 right now. Uh, Many of your friends are currently joining, and it's disturb our class. So please make sure that next time onwards, join it before 10 minutes. Okay? Because see, now in between, I need to accept them and add to the group. So I think it's not good for you people also. And I don't want your enrollment number. No need to write it down. Just attend the lecture if you are interested in the subject. Otherwise, no need to attend. I am having my attendance sheet module available, so I can take attendance directly. No need to write down your enrollment number. Don't fill the chat box with your enrollment number. It is not needed. I hope I am making myself clear. Am I audible, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, lecture is for your knowledge, not for your attendance. We are taking this lecture not to just submit the attendance sheet and ask the faculties that like we are taking lectures and it is going good. Thing is, the important thing is you should get the knowledge. That's what matters, right? Uh, and as I said, it is already 11:02 and people are still coming. So I am not able to start right now because let them enter. But this is the first and last lecture where I am allowing after 11 on a scheduled time. Later on, if you want, Kush Parmar, please mute yourself. I hope you know how to mute. Okay. From next lecture onwards, we will not allow anyone after given time. If you want to admit yourself before given time, 5 minutes before the time, because it is not the concern with my time, it is concern with your time, right? Actually, if we are currently 50 students joining this meeting, they are wasting 50 into 5 minutes of all 250 minutes human hours. That's not good, right? I hope you people value your time, not mine, but at least your time. So should I start or should I enter allow other people also?
Start.
Start कर दूं चलो. Okay, so let us start the discussion. First of all, the subject is multimedia applications. Now multimedia is not about Photoshop. First of all, make that thing very clear. Photoshop is a tool which you can use to edit your photographs, but it is not multimedia. Multimedia is a very big term which contain lots of stuff. It can be audio, it can be video, it can be your GIF image, it can be your JPG image. So image, video, audio, all these things combined are called multimedia, and you need to understand the applications of multimedia. Now, why this subject is important and why you people need to study it? The best example is we can take the iPhone and Android mobile phone. Why you people prefer iPhone? It is costlier. It is having less features than your Android phone actually. Still, people are preferring iPhone. Why?
Due to security.
Bolo, bolo. You can speak. It should be interactive session. I don't like to teach humor like
Due to
robot.
security.
Huh?
Due to security.
Security, hardly anyone concerned right now in India at least.
Nobody cares.
Camera clarity.
Huh?
Camera clarity.
Camera clarity, okay. Good.
Privacy.
Huh?
Processor.
Privacy.
Price.
Graphic
performance.
Graphics
Processor.
performance.
For vanity
The thing
purpose
is-
also.
Okay, on a very frank note, it is more secure. He is right. It is actually having good camera. That is also right. But the reason why people buy it is not because of the camera or security, because we
मजा आवे.
Indian people are exactly. This is
Vanity.
the exact reason that Horse has said. Maja
Yes,
aave.
मजा.
This is the reason. And the maja came away because it is very, very user friendly. Get it? Because it is having that aesthetic which you people like to hold in your hand. It is having that industrial design. એટલે પકડેલો ને તો ભાઈ મજા આવે. This is the actual answer, right? And that's why multimedia is important. It important in each and every field. If you are making one website, we are already having Flipkart website, we are already having Amazon website, both are doing same work. Still people are preferring more on Amazon because the aesthetic is good. So everywhere, if two things are same, that aesthetic matters. If you go in a shop of sari or a cloth and if you want to buy બંને કપડાના ભાવ સેમ હોય તો બી તમે એક લેવ અને એક નહીં લેવ. The basic reason for choosing one and over other is the aesthetic. It looks good. So aesthetic sense always matters. That's why the subject is important. If you design something and if it is good, people will buy it. If it is user friendly, people will buy it. So aesthetic, something to make look good, is very important in terms of software also, in terms of hardware also, right? And that's why this subject is important. Not only designing part as far as Photoshop is concerned, but it is overall also needed. If you want to make something look good, something aesthetic, people will definitely choose it. So that's why you need to, I think, learn this subject. That's why this subject is important. I think I'm making this thing clear, all of you. Now you can answer. Unmute
Yes,
yourself.
sir.
You can answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is the importance of subject. So don't
Yes,
just
sir.
take it because of
Yes, sir.
learning Photoshop, right? Just take it because you want to make something aesthetic. You need to improve your aesthetic sense. If I want to teach you Photoshop, it will require me only 2 hours. But if you want to be a good designer, it will take years. If you ask Yash, if you ask to me, those who are actually currently working on Photoshop, they know that their initial design was very poor. Nowadays they are improving. જેટલી practice વધારે કરો ને એટલી તમારી design સુધરે. For that you need to do practice and practice. તમે એપલની જે ઓરિજિનલ સાઇટ જોજો એકદમ પહેલાની અને હમણાંની જોજો. Initially it was embossed, curved. Nowadays it is flat design. એટલે હમણાં એ trend ચાલે છે. So people are moving and your designing sense also get improved. So the important thing as far as designing is concerned is hard work and practice. If you are not going to do hard work, it will not help you, for sure. Practice is must. Photoshop ના video tutorial જોઈ અને જો એની practice નહીં કરે તો કોઈને કંઈ જ આવડે નહીં. You are not able to learn anything. Practice matters. And as I said, to design something, it is not always required that you need to know Photoshop. If you are a good designer, you can make a good design in PowerPoint also. You can good design in another software also. There are different softwares available where you can do design. Clear? So Photoshop is a tool which you can use to make it good, but there are other stuff also which you can utilize and make a good design. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
So now let's start with some basics. First of all, let me share my screen and just answer me that you are able to see my screen or not. Okay. Is it available? Okay. Wait a minute.
Yes.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Complete.
So if you can see here, I have opened the detail of one photograph image. Image can be of different format. It can be in PNG format. It can be in JPG format. Normally your image is having size. Now that size is depending on the pixels available in the image. Okay, this is the size 2700 by 2700. This is my size of image, and it is color space is RGB, red, blue and green. So now today what we are going to learn, what is this color space is, what this image is, type of image is. Okay, so if I open my Photoshop, if I go to file, new, okay, it may take time. Okay, normally, okay, all of you are able to see my Photoshop screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
so if
sir.
I see
Yes,
here, it is pixel. So if I
Click.
the smallest element of any image is pixel. So if I make it is a 10 by 10 pixel image, suppose let's take it is 10 by 10. This is my resolution. Resolution of your image says that how big your image can be. What that mean? Suppose if you can write it properly, pixel per inch. So in 1 inch, square inch, how many pixels will come? That is defined here, resolution. So if my resolution is 300, that means in a single inch I am having 300 pixels. If my resolution is 600, that means in square of 1 inch I am having 600 pixels. So number of pixels are more. That means if this resolution is better, your image is better. Now suppose just look at here. If I take this as like this, 1 inch by 1 inch and 72 resolution, what that mean? I am having one square image. Its size is 1 inch height, 1 inch width, and the resolution is 72. What that mean? That image is having 72 pixels. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
let's create it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So suppose this is my image, 1 by 1 pixel, white background. If I save it, just save it as JPG format. These are the different image format which is available that you can utilize. Now, if you can go on the screen, this is 1.jpg get info. 72 by 72 pixels, right? And the size of my image is 12 KB. This is my 1 inch by 1 inch image. My resolution is 72, right? Now, if I go to new image again, I am having same image 1 inch by 1 inch, but now this time I am having 300 pixels. File, save as, desktop to JPG, save. Okay. Now let's see the property of this. Now as you can see, initially it is 12 KB, now it is 16 KB, and the number of pixels are more, 300 by 300. Get it? So when
Yes,
you
sir.
compare any image, you need to take care of resolution also with your inch. Done? Samajh padi? Now,
Yes, sir.
if you can see over here, I have created one image. This image size, as you can see in this image size, it is right now in inch. We can convert it into pixels. 5 pixels by 5 pixels, height and width, right? So this part, this is the smallest element of this image, pixel, and each pixel is having 3 values. Normally, 1 pixel is stored in the memory in the form of bits. Everything is stored in the form of bits, right? All of you know that. Binary bits, 1010. At the end, all thing is binary. So in image, if I want to store this image into memory, my 1 pixel is stored using normally 24 bits, 8 bit for one color channel. So one color is represented in the form of 0 to 255. So if I go here, suppose color picker, if I select this color, and this is my color in 1 pixel, your single pixel can contain only one color. And if you can see R, G, and B value 144, 144, 144. So it will convert 144 into binary. It requires 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, and this 24 bit will represent my this pixel. Same way, each pixel is represented with some color. As you can see, RGB. Now, if you can go here, you can see that HSB, RGB, LAB, and CMYK. So these are different color models which are available. Now, why we need to understand this color model? Because I hope all of you are having, have you heard about, have you seen printers?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in printer, you are having 4 inks, right? Color printer.
CMYK.
CMYK. C is for cyan, M is for magenta, Y is for yellow, and K is for black. Now, why it is K instead of B? Because in RGB it is already B for blue. That's why here it is K for black, right? So if you are going for printing purpose, okay, તમે flex છપાવો કે બીજું કંઈ છપાવો, it will be printed in the form of CMYK. They are also having 4 ink. So when you make your image, currently this image is in RGB color space. I need to convert it into CMYK color space, right? And some of my colors will get flattened out. So many of the time it is possible that તમે image કઈ બનાવો, it will look different, and when it gets printed, it will look different. Why? Because when you make it, it will be in RGB color format, and when you print it, it will be printed in the form of CMYK. Get it? A very common example of CMYK. See, what is the difference? This is the black color. Okay, let me show you here. Wait a minute. I am selecting 1 pixel. Okay. what I am doing is I am selecting black color is 000 in RGB. Okay. Just see, this is my black color in RGB. Now, let me select another pixel. Okay, not this. Let me, okay. Now, this is one more pixel. Now, if I am choosing black color in CMYK, what that means? Cyan is 0, magenta is 0, yellow is 0, K is 100%, full black. Now, see the difference between this black color and this black color. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
So when you are developing anything, image or video or anything, make sure that what will be your final output. If I am making something for social media post which is not going to get printed, I can use RGB color and it will look good because it is having more options. If I am going to print something on flex banners or on paper, you are better to use CMYK model because that would be better. Right? Clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Sir. Yes, sir.
This much stuff is clear,
Yes,
all
sir.
of you? Okay, now, normally, if you can see this logo, okay, wait a minute, let me show you. File, new, let's open one new file. Though it is little bit slower, but it will work. Suppose I am having a 5x5 image, 300 dpi, so total 1500 pixels. So this is my image. If you can see here, it is I am having white background. Let me make it red. Sorry. Done. Now it's depend on the type of image. This is my JPG image. If you can see, YouTube strip.jpg. So if I drag this JPG image here, my white background will remain as it is. Right? YouTube logo will come on white background, but I want my YouTube logo on red background. So in that case, you need to use PNG image, .png, because if you save something as PNG, when your background is nil, it will take the background color. And you can see now, this is my PNG and it is taking my background color red. Get it? So I hope the difference is clear. When you want something as your logo normally comes in .png format. JPG images are normally with the background, so it will not get transparent automatically. If you want something transparent, you can use PNG image. Suppose this is the image which I have created, but again I want to save YouTube logo. Then if you can see on right hand side layers, if I make below layer transparent, now if I save this image as .png, it will work as my logo. Clear? Same way there is a image format called GIF. This is my single image. If I have multiple image in a given time frame, it will work as GIF. When you were small, I think all of you had one story that if in a book, if I am having 100 pictures and boy is moving in that picture one by one, and if I flip that book at a single shot, you can feel it as a moving boy. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
એવું
Yes, sir.
સાંભળ્યું છે? મારી ચોપડી જોઈ છે? It is a normal concept. What is a movie? Movie is nothing but a same
જોઈ.
photograph, 24 frames. If it goes in front of your eyes in a second, you can feel that thing as a moving thing. Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is your GIF image, and you can convert it into MP4 also in a movie also, right? So GIF image is nothing but a collection of number of images. એટલે હમણાં લોગો અહીંયા છે, નેક્સ્ટમાં હું અહીંયા રાખું, નેક્સ્ટમાં અહીંયા રાખું, તો તમને કેવું દેખાય એક સાથે જોતો આમ જતું દેખાય. That is nothing but a GIF image. It is nothing but a collection of frames, normal JPG image collection that you can make. So I think this much thing is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
done this much stuff.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now as
Yes,
I
sir.
said, it is not always important to know Photoshop. Without Photoshop also you people can do lots of stuff. As you can see, there is one nice tool available here, Canva. If you are going to use this, anyone can be a designer. There is no specific skill required. What is needed is your skill, how good aesthetic you are. That what matters. Suppose I want to make one Instagram post. Here I am having multiple options for Instagram, right? Let me see this is my post. I want to post my photograph with some caption. Just open it. Yeah, I open it. Change the text. We are in 5th sem now. Great. Yeah. Lecture by Sapan. Barabar. So this is done. I want to change my photograph. I don't need to do anything. I have uploaded so many images here. Let us put some image. Done. This is ready. Square design, Instagram feed, and it will work directly. Your design is ready. Download it as JPG file or PNG file and you are ready to print it. Suppose you don't like this color, you want to change this color, change it. Yeah. Your wish. Whatever color you would like to do it. This is one simple tool that anyone can use. It is available in your mobile phone also. You can do it in your mobile phone also. There are so many designs that I have made in Canva itself. Currently, I don't have it. Let me see. It's my design options. Okay. Okay, so this is one option. Same way, based on your skill, you can choose any template, you can edit it, and you can make it at any point of time. All your designs. Okay. Okay. So all these designs are made in Canva itself, that you are able to see on our youtube.maliba campus Instagram also. So it hardly requires any time. Hello. બધા જોતા છે કે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am doing it a bit faster because it's a tool that anyone can use. Just do trial and error and you can be a master of this. Get it?
યસ સર
So
સર
that is
ઘનશ્યામ
the
નથી આવી શકતો જોઈન નહીં
હા?
થઈ શકતો તો કઈ કરો
શું
ઘનશ્યામ
કેવું?
જોઈન નહીં થઈ શકતો સર ઘનશ્યામ
કોણ
જોઈન
નથી
નહીં થઈ શકતો સર મીટિંગમાં
કોણ?
શ્રી બોલું
ઘનશ્યામ સર
ઘનશ્યામ જોઈન નહીં થઈ શકતો
હા તને કે પાછો જોઈન કર because I am actually using screen so I was not in this meet એટલે મને કદાચ પોપઅપ નહીં બતાવતો હોય. Let him
ઓકે સર
try again. I will add him.
ઓકે સર
ઓકે સર
ઓય માં આવું બી થાય. Okay. So this much stuff is clear? All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whatever you covered is clear? Okay. Now, as a designer or as a designing professional and even in IT professional, there are some basic stuff that all of you should know. So let me discuss that basic stuff. First, you should use your WhatsApp web, right? It is very much needed because if you want to send something to someone, you can send it from here. So it would be more easier to send. Yes? So those who are not knowing that you can use WhatsApp web, start using WhatsApp web in your laptop because if you need to send designing, if you need to take approval, it is very much needed. So WhatsApp web is the one suggestion that all of you should have in your laptop. Next suggestion is, I think many of the times as a designer or as a multimedia developer, તમારે video મોકલવાનો હોય, તમારે there are lots of stuff that you want to send and it is not in MBs, it is in GB. There are chances that it will be in GB. In that case, you can use this free transfer. It will allow you to transfer 2 GB of data to any of your friend free of cost. Your friend need to download this in 7 days. That's the only issue. If he or she will download it in 7 days, it is free of cost. You just need to make your account and it is free, WeTransfer. So why I'm suggesting this, because drive more than 15 GB will charge you, right? And you are not having unlimited amount of memory. So it would be not possible for you to buy. So that's why if you want to send something like videos and all, you can use WeTransfer from one place to another. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, when you are dealing with multimedia, if you are dealing with YouTube or if you are dealing with some images, many of the time the problem comes related to copyright. Yes, So if you want to get images for free, which are not copyrighted, there is one nice source of images that you can get it from FreePic. This is one website that all the students can use. You can get Photoshop file, Illustrator file directly over here using FreePic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can use this FreePic and you will get lots of designing by free. You just need to change the layers and your work will get done. Like example, હમણાં શું આવવાનું દિવાળી આવવાની બરાબર દિવાળી enter delete this. So hope so. Yeah, I'm getting some. So these are the Diwali posters. Now I just need to download one image. It is free of cost. Put YouTube logo and YouTube Diwali poster is ready. Yeah, we'll show you one example. So let's see. This is the poster that I like, and I just want to send it on what? There is an option called snapshot in my laptop like this, so I can take snapshot. Snapshot is taken. Open Photoshop. Open this. Open this. This is a free image. Anyone can use it. Open this. Okay. Sorry. Due to load, it get off automatically. I hope it will get open soon. Now, due to this current streaming, it may be having issue. But what you are supposed to do is you just need to put YouTube logo somewhere here and your image of Diwali will get ready. It is that simple. See, Photoshop gets open. Let's open file. Open. Oh, બધાને દેખાય છે ને?
Yes, sir. Visible. Yes, sir. Is visible. Very.
Then it is good. Sorry, it is taking too much of load, but still, let's. This is my logo. As it is, I told you it is PNG. It will work. Control D, Control minus minus. Make it small. Make it more smaller. Control plus plus. This is my Diwali poster ready for you to use. Yeah, save it as JPG, send it. So this is that easy. But the thing is, your aesthetic matters. Where to put this YouTube logo matters. Like koi hoy to અહીંયા મૂકે, કોઈ અહીંયા भी આટલો મોટો भी મૂકે. So it depends. So what is more important? Tool is not that important. Important thing is how good you are as a.
Most important designing.
Your aesthetic sense matters, right?
Yes, yes.
કર્યું બંને સેમ જ છે, લોગો લઈને મૂકવાનો છે, બટ કોણ મૂકશે કેવો મૂકશે that matters. Yeah. And so FreePic is one of the site which you can use, right? Another thing that all of you can use it if you go to your Google account. Okay, let me close this. If you go here, દેખાય છે ને બધાને?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are two things which is very good and which is available. One is photos. Photos will allow you to upload as many photos as you would like to upload on your this folder, right? It will give you facility to search also easily. Fine, so that you can do. It saves all the images as HD images. Okay, now first of all, make the understanding very clear. HD images is not your original image. Suppose I have captured my image using 5D camera. It can be of 19 MB or 10 MB or 20 MB. Okay. Your HD image means 720 by 1280 pixels. That is called HD. Keep in mind. Clear? 4K is. No issue. Chalo. Get it? So this is HD image. Why it is called HD? Because the screen resolution of any mobile phone or laptop nowadays available can see only this many pixels. When you go for printing, you require high resolution image. Otherwise, this image will work, right? That's why it is called HD. એટલે HD નો મતલબ ખાલી તમારે social media માટે આ બધું ચાલે. If you are going to use it for printing purpose, it will not work. It will get stretched out. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So you can use Google Photos because you
Yes,
can
sir.
search
Yes,
it
sir.
easily. And one more thing that all of you can use is Google Drive. I hope all of you are familiar with Drive, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you can use,
sir.
save your images. Now I am in G Suite currently. That's why if you can see here, I am currently able to use 227.5 GB of drive. But in your PC, in your Gmail account, you are only able to access 15 GB. એટલે તમારે 15 GB બીજી જોઈતી હોય તો એક ડમી જીમેલ નું આઈડી બનાવવાનો અને એમાં સ્ટોર કરી દેવાનો. It will be permanent. The advantage is, suppose I want to share this YouTube videos with someone, I don't need to like every time attach in mail or something, directly share and he can access it directly. So that would be the advantage. So you can use Drive also. So I think this is more than sufficient for today's lecture. What we have studied is more than a designing, your aesthetic sense matters.
ભરેલું છે યુથ ફેસ્ટ
Hello, able to hear me?
સર વિરાજ બોલું
Yeah.
યુથ ફેસ્ટ નું 300 જીબી ભરેલું છે
હા
યુથ ફેસ્ટ માં 300 જીબી ભરેલા છે હાર્ડ ડિસ્ક
ભાઈ બધું આમાં ચડાવવું હોય તો ચડી જાય, but it requires time. We can do that. I am having unlimited storage, so you can give it to me. We'll upload it on Drive.
તમને કઈ રીતે મળી?
મને હાર્ડ ડિસ્ક માં આપી દો ને પછી બેસીને ચડાવ્યા કરવાનું કોલેજ.
એમ નહીં, અરે એમ નહીં, તમને કઈ રીતે મળી અનલિમિટેડ સ્ટોરેજ?
મેં
હા,
બતાવ ને તને, ઉભો રહે, ચાલુ રાખ.
અરે એમ નહીં, કઈ રીતે મળે તો કયો, અમે લઈ લઈને.
G Suite, મારા ભાઈ, you need to buy a G Suite. When you are in an organization, you are having Google G Suite that you can purchase. It is again a purchase by UTU, so it will give us 100 to 500 logins. Like that's why we are having utu.ac.in ID, right? And same way we are all having Drive, and which is having unlimited storage. So we need to purchase it once, but it will be cheaper for education. That's why it is available here.
ઓકે.
Same way, currently I am recording our lecture also. That is also possible because I have arranged the meeting using Google.
I also recorded.
Yes, you are having G Suite. You are not able to record it. Those who are having G Suite only they can record this.
No, other.
See, મારી screen દેખાય છે બધાને?
Yes, sir.
હા.
Have you seen this stop recording button red?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that comes because I am currently recording our full lecture. So that is only possible when you are having G Suite. And if you arrange some meeting, Google Meet with G Suite, you can do this automatically. Full video will be stored in my Drive and I will get the mail. So that is also possible. Okay, for today's lecture summary, we have learned that tool usage is not that much important. Your aesthetic sense, your practice important. If you seriously want to design, you can use your PPT. See, I will show you some work that I have done in PPT also, because many of them are not knowing Photoshop and I need to do work every time, right? So it is very tedious for me to work for others and to make them be like designing and all. So what we have done is I have made the PPT itself. Now, have you seen this image? What do you think? How much time this image will take to make? If you want to make this image, how much time it will take?
15 minutes.
10
15
minutes.
minutes. 2-3 minutes hardly.
How much time this image will take if you want to make this?
2-3 minutes.
સર સાઈટ
Only,
ઓપન કરવામાં
only
વાર
one
લાગે એટલી
minute. Open one image left side, extend it, image is ready, right?
Yes, sir.
Still it looks good, but for that you need aesthetic sense. As I told you, you just need to make sure that your sense of designing is good. See, initially I have made this image of Madhav in Photoshop. Then the same image I have make it in PPT. This is PPTX and it is available. See, in PPT also, if you want to make, you can make the same design as attractive as you want. The only thing is you must have that aesthetic sense in you, and it is possible. This is again PPT that I have made. I have taken, see, and I have given the multiple choice options that you can choose any color, and it is possible. Thing is, it is not that Photoshop આવડતું હોય એનથી જ બહુ મસ્ત ડિઝાઇન થાય. કોઈથી પણ બહુ સરસ ડિઝાઇન થાય. You just need to learn. This is shape, this is PNG file, everything is possible in even PowerPoint also. Yeah?
Okay.
ઓકે હવે મારો છે ને આખા વીકમાં એક જ લેક્ચર આવે છે સો અધર ટાઈમ યુ આર નોટ ફ્રી યુ આર સપોઝ ટુ ડુ સમ અસાઇનમેન્ટ વર્ક સો યુ આર સપોઝ ટુ ડુ 3 અસાઇનમેન્ટ ઇન ધીસ વીક એન્ડ વિલ સી નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ વોટ યુ હેવ ડન ઓકે
Okay,
so
sir.
write it down the assignment number 1 all of you write it down assignment number 1 the first assignment is list out different tools available for photo editing. You can write down applications also, you can write down software also, you can write down websites also like this where you can do it online. So Canva is one example, Snapgrid is one example, PixArt is the example, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So એટલે ખાલી નામ નથી લખવાના you need to write down which one is better and which one is not and why. Example is suppose I want to make some splashy effect there is some specific software available which one is better. અમુક વસ્તુ કરવું હોય તો અમુક સોફ્ટવેર સારું પડે for some other work some other software is better. So just tell me which software is better in which case. So at least note down 10 softwares which you can use for photo editing. First assignment. Assignment number 2. Tell me 3 sites from where I can get good images and photos for free. One is FreePic. You need to search 2 more. Okay? Huh?
Yes, sir.
We get
Yes, sir.
No, no, no. That's okay.
And the last assignment is I need one Instagram feed of your photograph prepared by you. It should not be a simple photo. It should be something like this or something, anything. It should have some content written on the page and some effect given to the photograph. Compulsorily.
Okay, sir.
Get it? Like this. The last assignment is you must need to prepare one Instagram feed. When I say Instagram feed, you need to take care of size of the image because અમુક image Instagram feed માં નહીં મુકાય એટલે એ જાતે ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરીને સમજો ને શીખો. So I need a Instagram feed which contain your photograph and some text. The text can be anything and your photo must be edited. And you need to send me your original photograph and your Instagram feed. Clear?
Okay,
Okay, sir.
You can send me on Instagram itself directly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I hope the session is good and it is now over because I think it is almost 10 minutes more than my capacity. Yeah?
Right, sir.
That
Right,
is
sir.
fine.
Right, sir.
સાચી
Okay,
વાત
so
છે
from next lecture onwards, we'll start Photoshop little bit. Fine?
Okay, sir.
ઓકે
Okay,
સર
but see, one thing, I am very lenient as far as
Yes, sir.
assignment is concerned, but I am very strict as far as assignment is concerned. I have given you 3 assignments. Those who are not going to submit these 3 assignments before next Tuesday will not be allowed in my next class. એટલે ભણવું હોય તો આવવાનું, attendance I will do it, no issue. Okay, but at least as I said, practice is must. So do practice and do assignment. Okay.
ઓકે સર
Okay, chalo, bye bye. Hi, પીને સુઈ જાઓ હવે. Okay, bye.
બાય સર
બંધ નહીં થતું ને?
ચાલુ